What is up, peoples?
Yellow Marble coming at you.
I'm Doug.
And I'm Scott.
Coming at you with some math tips this evening. We're going to add and subtract fractions. This is something that people have a lot of trouble with, Scott.
I know. I have children, and they come to me frequently with this type of question.
All the time. And I've got a way of making it easy. And you know what? If making something easy is wrong, Scott...
You don't want to be wrong. I know.
I just don't even want to be right. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So this evening, I'm going to talk to you about how to... The easy, simple way with small numbers... We can add it. We've got two adding fractions and two subtracting fractions. We're going to look at the main thing that you want to look at is you cannot just simply add these.
You mean you can't take 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 4?
You can't just say 1 plus 3 is 4 and then 2 plus 4 is 6. No.
Well, why not?
Because you need a common denominator. What is a denominator? That's the bottom number.
That's important.
That's important. Fancy word for the bottom number. Numerators on the top, denominators on the bottom.
And you know how you remember that? Denominator? D is for down. Which
Yes.
means on the bottom.
D is for down. Good tip.
Yeah.
So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply both sides times the opposite denominator. So for instance, if we have 1/2 plus 3/4, we have a 4 over here, so we're going to multiply the 4s on the top and the bottom on this side.
Okay.
We have a 2 over here, so we're going to multiply on this side times 2.
Okay, so you're taking the denominator from each side and timesing it by the other numbers on the other side.
Correct, but if you do the denominator, you also have to do the top as well. So it's the same. So here, now you're going to just multiply it out. 4 times 1 is 4.
Okay.
4 times 2 is 8. Bring your addition symbol down. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. You add that together. Now when you get the common denominator, which is what you want, which is what you have here, you just simply slide the 8 over.
Okay, you don't add those together.
You do not add them.
Okay.
No. But you add the top.
Okay.
4 plus 6 is 10.
So 10 over 8.
10 over 8.
And that's your answer.
That's it.
Nice.
Absolutely. You can simplify that, but we'll just leave it for there for now.
We can take that one in another video.
We'll do that in a different video.
Okay.
So now look, here we have a 4 on this side, we have a 3 on this side. So on this side, we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by
3.
And on this side, we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by
4, the other side.
by 4. So the opposite.
It's a little messy, Doug.
It's a little messy.
We have an audience here.
Sorry.
Okay,
Sorry,
well,
guys.
let's do it better next time. It's okay, I'll forgive you this one.
My fault. Okay, now, multiply it out. 4 times 2 is 8.
Okay.
4 times 3 is 12. Plus, we got 3 times 3 is 9.
All right.
And 4 times 3 is 12. You add them together. You add the top, and you slide the 12 over, and you get 17 over 12. Done.
Easy.
Easy.
So now I assume the only difference when you're subtracting is you can do the same method, but you subtract the top numbers.
Yes.
Is that how that works?
Yes.
Show me. I want to see.
So on this side, if the 2's over here, we're going to multiply this side times what?
2.
2, because the 2's on the opposite side. So over here on this side, times 2 times 2, and on this side, it's going to be
4.
times 4 times 4. So times 2 times 2 times 4 times 4. Same thing. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. Bring your subtraction symbol now because it's subtraction instead of adding. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Now the bottom still slides over the same way that it did. But now, in the numerator at the top, you're just going to subtract it. 6 minus 4 is 2. And there's your answer.
Easy. You know what,
Just
Doug?
that
It's so
simple.
easy, I think I can do the next one.
All right, let's do it. Jump on in there.
All
Thanks.
right. Here we go. So, got ourselves a 5 on one side and a 2 on the other. So, Doug, I'm going to times this side by 2. I'm going to times this side by 5. Simple math. 8. That's supposed to be an 8. Over 10. We're going to bring down our subtraction symbol. And we're going to do 5 over 2 times 5, which is 10. And in this case, 8 minus 5 is 3. And it's a denominator, so we want to keep that 10.
10 just slides over.
Did I get an A?
You did.
Awesome.
100%. Good job, buddy.
Woo! Thank you.
Nice work.
That's very simple.
It's very simple. So hopefully that helps, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Give us an idea of what kind of content you'd like to see. I'm Doug.
And I'm Scott, coming at you from the Yellow Marble. We'll talk to you in the next one.